my name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share an easy technique how to cut cantaloupe and serve skin down. Especially it's useful when cantaloupe has blemished skin, but it's perfect to eat. I cut my cantaloupe in half. To remove seeds, I like to use large ice scoop with sharp edges. Instead of flat plate, we can use thin and lightweight cutting board. But in my opinion, plate is more convenient, and you see in few seconds why. For last step, we need soup plate. I place it on the top of my cantaloupe. I flip around plates and my cantaloupe in the shape of flower and ready to serve. Visit my website. I have so many ideas and techniques how to serve and cut cantaloupe. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.